The Mifo O5 Gen 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Mifo O5 Gen 2. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, Type-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds features 9 hours of listening time and 150 hours total with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. It has a 2600 mAh battery, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IP67 waterproof. Taking a look at the case, it has a solid metal feel to it, just like the previous models. It has a gray finish all around with a chrome finish in the middle. The top has the branding. On the right side, you have the USB-C charge port and the status LED. The lid opens and closes smoothly and it springs up, as you can see here. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and you have an LED indicator inside along with the ear markings. Earbuds are compact in design and the inside face has a rubber grippy feel to it. At the bottom you will see the ear indicator. The outside face has a gray finish with the branding, and you have a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, LED, touch control, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. The case comes in at 3 by 1.7 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 111 grams and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you. Your smile is fading with the rain. And we know each other. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mifo O5 Gen 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They seated well in my ears and it created a tight seal. It felt secure and there's good passive noise isolation. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. Touch controls are a plus since they don't add pressure when navigating. Build and quality is solid. I like the metal case. It feels well built and durable. It does weigh a bit more compared to the plastic cases. Earbuds feel durable as well. Touch controls were not overly sensitive and they had good response. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 9 hours and 150 total with the charging case. I like the IP67 rating, so it should protect you from the elements. I would have liked to see the following features such as ANC, app integration, and wireless charging. When it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it definitely has its presence. It comes in deep, punchy, and tight. It doesn't sound overblown. Mids and highs come in clear. Vocals and instruments do stand out, but it's a bit forward. There's separation and it sounds pretty crisp. Overall, I feel these earbuds perform well, and it sounds very good. For the price though, it does lack some of the features that I mentioned earlier. But if you don't need all the extras such as ANC, these are definitely worth checking out. So that is my review of the Mifo O5 Gen 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.